Here's a home at 4038 Juniata Street. Constructed in 1899. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-story home. Solid brick construction, really nice brick archways. These are original windows here, made out of wood. Looks really nice. Home's been fully renovated. Looking to my left, this is east. Homes all the similar age, late 1800s, early 1900s. And then we are across the street from Mann Elementary. This structure here was constructed 2 years after the house in 1901. It's got a really nice slate roof up top as well. A lot of character in these older schools and older homes. Take you into the home. We have a covered front porch entrance. Archway here for a basement window. The entire structure has been painted blue with the white trim along the front, sides, and rear. Really nice covered front porch. Home faces north, so the rear gets the southern sun. Front door here has been updated. Got really nice side lights on both sides. If you can tell, it's not the original door. There's a little bit of empty space here where they have white wood. So the original door would have been larger. You would have had the transom above. Really nice updated door though. Walking in, luxury vinyl flooring, and we have a really nice grand staircase taking us up to the second floor bedrooms with the exposed brick there. Nice wrought iron railing. A lot of character here, even on the spindles. Coming back through, close the door. Very much an open concept design. Here we've got the front living room. It's nice to install the overhead ceiling fan lighting. Again, the original wood window. Really nice here. Coming back through. Tall ceilings on both the first floor and second floor. So we've got the dining, eating combo. Nice updated fixtures. Have our powder room here to the right. And then the rear of the property does have some updated vinyl windows. This looks really nice. Of course, countertops. Closed door there to the right is the basement. I'll show you that here in a moment. Nice updated bathroom. It's got the glass block with the vent there in the center. Coming back through, we've got the center island, built-in cabinetry. Really nice job there. And since we're here, take a peek out the rear. Home is fully fenced with a brand new deck. Good sized deck. You see it's fully fenced here. Nice off-street 2-car parking pad in back. And taking you around this way, we got our alleyway here on the eastern side of the property. The blue and white combo looks really good. They wrapped all the windows. Here, this jumps out a little bit, so there might be an attic space. And coming back through. Recently sodded. It is a walkout basement. Coming down this way. Got door opened up for us, so it allows a little bit better lighting. Got your washer dryer connections here, right next to the hot water tank. Coming back through, you got your dryer, electrical there. Update PVC plumbing. Here we've got our furnace that's new, just like the AC out back. Again, you have the stone foundation. Real common, you see the brick also transition here in the front, where you don't see that here on the side. Here we got the staircase leading up. This is going to come out right next to where the potty room door was. Take you upstairs through the really nice staircase. There we go, with the light. I have seen people building benches here. Well, here we obviously have the furniture. That brick wall looks great. Here's a front door view. Really nice layout. Did a great job keeping some of the character here on the staircase. I have seen many times these windows here to the right, they are stained glass. This one obviously is not. It does appear to be original as well. It is a wood window. Here we got some of the wood trim. Coming back through, we've got the smallest bedroom, as is common in these older homes, above the foyer. Looking really good. Updated window. Again, a lot of people use this more of a study or storage, even a walk-in closet. Here's our front bedroom. Good lighting in here with the double windows. Another good sized closet for this age home. Coming back through, we've got our hallway bathroom. Really nice ceramic floors, transitioning into the ceramic shower. Goes all the way to the ceiling with a really nice light. This is an original wood frosted glass window. Nice updated vanity. Then coming through, we've got the primary owner suite. Got really good can lighting. Over at ceiling fan as well. You've got our closet here to the left with built-in shelving. And then here is the full bathroom. Again, this is facing south, so you do get that sun coming through here. Looks really good. And then our fourth and final bedroom is also here to the rear. Coming around. Good size. And then looking here. This one does not have a closet. You can always put some furniture in here. This will conclude our tour. Please check out the description below if you have any questions. As always, please like and subscribe. Thank you.